Hi, I'm Dave Williams. I've teamed up with Expert Photography to write everything I know about travel photography in an ebook that's come out on ExpertPhotography.com. I've been a travel photographer for about 14 years, and as a travel photographer, we need to understand that travel photography is different from every other genre. Every genre can be travel photography, but travel photography doesn't have a specific subject like everything else has. With food photography, we're obviously taking photos of food. Portraiture, we're taking photos of people, but travel photography isn't about the subject. It's more about the feeling. You want people to want to be there in that place, at that destination, and you want to evoke some other senses in the photographs that you take. You also need to stand out amongst a huge crowd of other travel photographers, both professionals and amateurs. In this book, I've taken those 14 years of experiences and I've broken it down section by section to tell you about all the other genres of photography that fall into travel photography. I've also given you some bonus cheat sheet guides at the end. You can download the ebook now at expertphotography.com.